I would like to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, thank you CCA sir and Office of CCA, Deputy CCA Shri Ashish Banati sir and all the members here. Every time whenever we are conducting this conference, they are making sure that they are with us. That is why this conference is becoming a success as well as a series of successful events now. And Executive Director Dr. S.D. Sudarshan for supporting us as well as guiding us at every step in smoothly conducting this particular conference. And of course, I should not forget the ED office. Ms. Rikala is not here right now. So we have continuous support. In fact, I should not be wrong. I'll not be wrong if I am saying that she is giving us 24/7 support. So thanks to her in her absence here. And Arnab is not here. Okay, so thanks to him. Apart from that, the reviewers, there are many reviewers who are anonymous. Okay, they have just done the review, who might not be present in the conference also. Without them, the reviews would not be possible. And obviously, the TPC chair, sir is here, Dr. Anand Mohan sir is there, and co-chair, Dr. Balaji, and Professor C. V. Madhavan sir, and speakers. There are many speakers who have come from across India, as well as from US, there were 2 speakers who have joined remotely. And from Russia, we had 2 speakers who had joined remotely. So I personally thank to them as well. And authors of all the papers who have attempted, many of them, many papers have come, but whoever has presented here, my special thanks to them as well as those who have also submitted, and they always have the chance for the next PKIA conference as well. And organizing team, a big thanks to all these youngsters who are standing here, and they are here for last 2 days continuously. Mr. Anup Kumar Pandey, my special thanks to him, silently doing everything in the background. So big round of applause for him as well. The entire PKI team, led by the RISE team, led by Dr. Balaji. So the PKI as well as DNS, all those teams are under him. Mr. Gopinath is here. Jitendra is somewhere. Jitendra Kumar is there. Dr. Sanjay Adiwal. So they are making it possible that every event is a great success. My special thanks to admin, headed by Muthu sir is here. He was here just now. So Mr. Muthu Kumar, yes, give big round of applause to him as well. Supported by Mr. Arun Shankar as well as Mr. Sali and all the members. So they were continuously on the run for last 2 days. On the run should not be taken as negative. So MMG in the background, they have made it possible. Whatever we are seeing here, MMG and finance and all the exhibitors and sponsors. Thank you very much. Thank you again. See you at PKIA 2025.
So, before the group picture, I request Dr. S.D. Sudarshan sir to felicitate Professor C. Veni Madhavan sir, the chief guest of the event. Sir, you can be seated. Yeah. So I request all the members to join for a group photograph here. So I think, yeah. CDAC team, CCA team. Yeah, please. Yeah, all the exhibitors and all the participants. Yeah.
You also forgot us.
No, he said no. I told him that he can tell no, we do surprises. That's what I told him.
सामने कहाँ खड़े होंगे?
sit now here.
Yeah, yeah.